It's a worm.
It's a leech.
It's a leech?
No, I don't know.
Oh my god, why is it standing up? Sawadika guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's me, Adoration Faith. We are here in Khao, Phanom, Bencha National Park. It's located 20 kilometers from Krabi and it covers 50 kilometers squared acres. This national park is a popular destination for waterfalls, cave, chills. You can see there's a little waterfall there. So I'm excited to go in. Look at the big trees behind me. As soon as we park our bike here, we are greeted with the big trees. Look at the big roots. There are two of them, guys. We're here in low season, guys, so there's not a lot of people here. That's their canteen, headquarters, visitor center, and the parking area. But they have two trail here, guys. The nature trail and the dog slide trail. We are going to the nature trail. It's hard to pronounce trail. So nature trail is 2.9 kilometers and the dog slide trail is 2.7 kilometers. So we choose the longer trail. There's a lot of other kids having a good time. Josh is putting on mosquito repellent because mosquito loves him. We are in the jungle. Look at the tall trees. And then there's a rope. It's a branch guy. Looks like a rope. There's no public transportation options from Krabi to here, guys. So you need to rent a car, scooter, or take a taxi. Yeah, and we rent a motorbike. It's 200 baht per day. So did I mention before that you can see 218 different types of birds here? So I'm looking forward to see even one. Wow, you can hear that? It's a bird. As you can see, they made the trail safer for visitors. They cemented it, put stone tiles. Hey, that's a beautiful view. We're in the waterfall, guys. Wow, look at the rocks. It is forming into a ladder, stairs. So this is Huay To Waterfall, guys. It has 5 major tiers and other several smaller tiers. So I guess this is one of the smaller tiers, or one of the. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The motorbike owner said the last waterfall is the most beautiful waterfall here in Khao, I forget the name, Khao Phanom Bencha National Park. Oh my god, that's really beautiful, guys. It's worth coming here. It's worth the 2 kilometers drive. Yeah, they're having fun. Oh my god! So nice! This is difficult. It's just stones. Yeah. So the steps are getting difficult as you go up. Uy, uy. Uy, what a big root. It's hugging the mountain. It reminds me of the Prom temple, the big roots embracing the temple. Where are we? Here or there? I am on the wrong side. It's a tiny there's a stone shaping like stairs. Uy. You can do it. We just finished with that stone obstacle course, Char. I call that stone obstacle course. You need to hold on to the rope because it's so steep. It's really difficult to climb. I'm sweating. Ay! Yeah. I will be so sore tomorrow. I can. I'm sorry, we won't do that, Mom.
We'll go the kayaking tomorrow then.
Okay.
So we'll make it arm sore. Tomorrow, legs sore today, arm sore tomorrow.
Josh is fitter than me. I get out of breath easily, guys. We will go through that with the guidance of the rope. Oy. So all this walk, this difficult walk, the waterfall, the last waterfall, should be worth it of all the effort we've done for it. No, there's the last waterfall. It's beautiful though. The route serves as the stairs. I think we're the only one who went up here. The others give up. Whee! Now we're... wait lang. Let's stop.
Okay, just watch me stop.
Let's stop for a minute.
My shoes. This is where you want to look if you want to see different bugs and stuff, man.
A dead tree. Oh my god, it's so long.
Yeah.
It's older than you. Look at the roots, guys. So big, it's so chubby. And it's hugging another tree. I saw a monkey. Monkey eating banana. We found our picnic spot. Oh my god, guys, it's an orange big tree.
I don't even see the top.
Wow, there's more, like 3 of them, orange. No, I can't even see the top because of how tall it is. It's a worm.
Maybe it's a leech.
It's a leech?
No, I don't know.
Oh my god, why is it standing up?
It's a type of
It's standing.
I think I want you, man.
Oh my god, it's standing, no? Oh, fudge. Hello, me. There's a leech on your foot. What?
It was sucking on my toe.
Hello, ouch.
What?
I don't know.
Take it off, show me.
Ah!
Stop! Give me your foot. Where?
There's on my foot.
Where?
There's more in my foot.
Just wait.
Josh is checking on my foot and his foot for leeches. There's a leech. Go, take it. No.
Oh, yes, the blood from...
Hello, there's the blood from leech bite. And they bit my armpit. Oh, look at that. That's the leech. That's the armpit leech. Armpit leech. Leech bite. We don't know where to go now. This is the end of the trail. We can't see any trail now. Pretty disappointing. We're going back now. Because we don't know where to go from here. Go to the stone obstacle course. Going up is really hard. It goes from here to there, guys. Like there.
have your shoes on, right?
Shoes on.
On?
Oh, because there's some spiky parts.
Yeah.
Hello! Whew, the water is so nice, guys. It's so cold. It's refreshing. Going back to another waterfall. So nice to chill here. That's it for this video, guys. Join us again soon in our little adventure here in Thailand. I am posting more travel videos and you can check it out on my channel. I am Adoration Faith and subscribe for more videos from me. Bye!